on in. I'm Damage, doing part 4 of the Golden Girls series. This is the last one. And then I am putting everything together on Saturday on canvas. So satisfying. Oh yeah, that was the color that I definitely needed. Definitely needed this color. All right, we're going to do a quick recap of what I've done. So far, what I have done, Betty was number 1. Rue McClanahan was number 2. Dorothy, or B. Arthur, was number 3. And tonight will be Estelle Getty. She will be the 4th one of the 4. Super exciting. This has been a very, very fun project. I've enjoyed pretty much every moment of it. I will be doing more of these for sure. All right. And just like always, I will be working sideways so you can see everything being built here. And I cut down the sheet a little bit so it's not so big. I used a paper cutter and got that down. I got little notes for myself here. And so this one is 80 by 21 as well. However, I am going to go ahead and construct it for 80 by 21, but I have had to cut a line off of 2 of them because for some reason they were off in length. Not by much, but enough that it's noticeable. So, but I am going to go ahead and construct it the way it's supposed to be constructed, and which will be fine. And I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to go ahead and start at the bottom with this one. Let's get to it. Oop. My finger touched the bead. There we go. Oh, I totally missed one right in the middle there. There you go. Trim up some of these edges. Yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. I'm really happy with it. You know what? No, I'm just gonna leave it alone. It's fine. The wax paper will help stick to it anyway. Okay, wax paper. Now time to iron the other side. All right, I'm gonna put some weight underneath this. That was a challenge. That actually was my hardest one. I don't know, here. I don't know if you can see this very well, but the amount of color and detail that's in this face was so difficult. Whew. That took me a minute. Like, there is so much there. You can see all these color changes, but overall, that was pretty good. Pretty good. 3.5 hours. Same as B. Arthur's. The other two took over 4. And I think it's because I'm getting more of the hang of it, I guess. I will put everything side by side after I do the reveal of Sophia, Estelle Getty. And you can see everything next to each other. And then on Saturday, I'm going to be painting the canvas and building it. So I plan on doing something really cool for the final video, because there'll be 5 YouTube videos. So I just finished B. Arthur's. I'm going to do Estelle Getty's. And then the final video is going to basically, while I'm painting the canvas, it'll go onto a recap reel, and you'll see all the other ones being built next to each other in high speed, and going back and forth between me and painting. And so that's kind of the idea that I have. So you can see it'll just kind of like, it'll be fast paced, and you'll see all of the girls being built, and then eventually it'll be like brrr, all 4 of them together, and then we'll put it together. That's how that's the idea. And then again, like I said, I plan on doing a Beetle series. Is going to be my next Perler series, but on Sunday I plan on doing something different. So this is what we have in store on Sunday. I want to be looming Robbie Wasabi's beanie. So I'll be doing a looming stream on Sunday. If I said Saturday, I meant Sunday. I'm pretty sure I said Sunday. So I set up a new background specifically for doing a looming stream. So this is what it'll look like. Got the yarn in the background. Got the looms down there in the corner. I got it all set up today. And I got my header up there. And I got you guys down there. It'll be super fun. So I'm pretty excited. Now, it's time to do the reveal. Are we ready? Let's do the reveal. Hype. Okay. There she is. So now we have the full set. She's a little long. I'm going to trim her up. So ignore that part there. But there you go. The full set is there. They are beautiful. I love it. They turned out so nicely. But yeah, some of them were different. Like this, I don't know if it's from the ironing process, but she's a little bit longer. I'll just have to trim her up a little bit. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do it right now. Why not? It'll be nice and easy. It sucks that I have to get rid of some perler beads that I use, but it's okay. It happens. How's that?